Hey there, welcome back to Go Yourself, the channel where we explore everything you need to know about going abroad. Today, we're talking about something that's absolutely essential if you're planning to land a job overseas: LinkedIn. If you're not using LinkedIn yet, or if you're not using it the right way, you're missing out on opportunities that could change your life. Step 1 is setting up your profile in a way that attracts global employers. Your profile is your personal brand. Make sure your profile picture is professional, and don't forget to add a background photo that represents your field or interests. It adds a personal touch and makes your profile stand out. Your headline should be catchy, and your summary should tell your story. Highlight your skills, experiences, and aspirations. Here are the key things to keep in mind. Your headline should reflect the job you're aiming for, not just the one you have. So if you're a software developer looking for international opportunities, say that. Recruiters overseas are looking for specifics. Even if you're not in the country yet, you can add the location you're targeting. Say you're looking for jobs in Germany. Add Germany as your location. This will boost your visibility in searches made by German recruiters. Use your summary to tell your story. Why are you interested in working abroad? What skills do you bring to the table? Make it personal but professional. Highlight any international experience or skills that would be valuable in a foreign job market. LinkedIn's job search feature is a powerful tool for finding international jobs. Here's how to make the most of it. You can filter job listings by country or even specific cities. Make sure you set the filters for the type of job you're looking for, and keep an eye on the company's language requirements. Don't waste time manually searching every day. Set job alerts. LinkedIn will notify you whenever a job that matches your criteria is posted. Find companies that hire internationally and follow them. Engage with their posts and stay updated on their job openings. This can also help you get a feel for the culture of the company. One of the best ways to land a job abroad is by building a network in the country or field you're targeting. Here's how to start. Connect with recruiters in your target country. Search for recruiters who specialize in placing candidates in international jobs. When you send a connection request, don't just hit connect. Include a brief note introducing yourself and explaining why you're interested in connecting. Join LinkedIn groups. There are LinkedIn groups for almost every profession and country. Join groups where professionals in your target country are active. This is a great way to stay informed and network with people who can help you get a foot in the door. Engage with content. Commenting on posts from companies, recruiters, and professionals in your field makes you more visible. It's a subtle way of showing interest without directly messaging people out of the blue. Want to stand out from the competition? Use LinkedIn. Learning to gain skills that are in demand globally. Whether it's learning a new language or acquiring a specific skill for the job you want abroad, LinkedIn Learning offers certifications that you can add directly to your profile. Plus, many of these certifications are recognized by global employers, so they can really boost your credibility. Now, this might sound intimidating, but reaching out directly to hiring managers or employees can give you a major edge. Here's a simple framework for your message. Introduce yourself. Keep it short and to the point. Mention your current position, your interest in the company, and your desire to work abroad. Express your interest. If they've posted a job, mention it specifically. If not, let them know you're interested in any future opportunities. Offer value. Make sure to briefly mention how your skills and experiences can bring value to their team. LinkedIn is more than just a job board. It's your passport to a global career. By optimizing your profile, engaging with the right people, and leveraging all the tools LinkedIn has to offer, you can open doors to opportunities you never thought possible. So go ahead, take the first step today. And as always, if you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who's also dreaming of working abroad. Until next time, go yourself.